Hello everyone, this is the second episode of the Moon Jumpers tutorial that the Sarkar Show is doing. So first of all, before we would like to start, I like to be in this position for my sprite, so I'm just gonna go to XY block right there. So yeah, even what does this do basically? Even if we're here, if you click the green flag, goes there. Sweet. Now let's make a brand new sprite called crevice. So now let's see, a black rectangle, I'd like it to be. Use the shaping tool, we can pick a few nodes and drag it downwards to kind of shape it up. Maybe I can make some edges a bit pointed. Maybe you do it like this. Pull the edges, make that pointed. Add a little bit of variety. Actually, okay. Interesting, I could call it. Very peculiar, more like a W more than a crevice. But yeah, so let's put that into our game. And when green flag clicked, I'd like it to be at this position. So when green flag clicked, put to X1. Nice. Now, in the play sprite, when green flag clicked, forever, if touching crevice, then, so this is the nearest point of contact, right here. So the nearest point of contact, which is I think here, if we go down, what is this? It's that position. So at this position, we would like to glide to this position. Let's see. Nice. So since we're touching, we're gliding downwards. Nice. Like actually falling into the crevice. So now, what are we gonna do now? Let's see a broadcast. Do you know what a broadcast does? It sends a message to make something receive a message to do it. I'm going to call it game over. And let's make a brand new sprite called end screen. So now for the end screen, convert it to a bitmap, fill it black, and use the text tool. I'm going to make it bright red, vivid red, and the text game over. So make it really big. Maybe I'd like to center it. So now, for when green flag clicked, do not hide it. Okay, we're actually going to set ghost effect to 100. This basically makes it invisible. Now, when I receive game over, we will forever change ghost effect by, let's say, -5, because -5 actually does something, basically meaning it fades inwards instead of fading out, it fades in. So change ghost effect by -5. And before we do that, let's see, go to 0, 0. Let's go to 0, 0. So go to 0, 0. Let's do that. Amazing! But in my opinion, doesn't it look a bit hard? It could be your opinion entirely, but I think it's a little too hard. So what I'm going to do is shrink it down. Let's try that. Okay. I don't know if this is a little bit too hard. That's the only problem. So the thing about a game is that you want to make it hard, but not too hard. That's the reason. So let's see. Now can I jump over it? Now that's just too. Now this is too easy. So I think it's gonna be a bit boring for you to just watch as I literally just scramble around changing sides. So I'm gonna give you a little bit of an exclusive. I'm gonna end this video early. So, anyways, I hope you like and subscribe to Sarkar Show. Thank you.